Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you are new here. If not, welcome back. But if you're new here, I would like to take this time to introduce because I am on a whole new platform. So I wanted to take a talk about it. It will be a great time to do an introduction of my passion for sewing. And I actually I learned some good things, and I you could probably read it in my post. I hope you read it, and I am excited. I was so excited. I When I was young, I remember going to the stores. There used to be a Sears. You have a place where you can come and pick up your stuff. I remember going to the store and pick up my stuff, or the clothes, and she would go and pick it up, and we would take us with us. And I remember seeing the big books, the catalog. You remember back then they had the catalogs, and we would go pick up our stuff. And I enjoyed wearing the nice dresses and the clothes that we wore when we was young. And I remember my sister swirling around in her favorite blue dress. It's all in my postal closet, but I just wanted to mention that because it's so important that we hold on to those treasured moments that are so precious, and those were precious moments. And I'm not going to try to take too long. I wanted to show you the first bag that I'm on. I know a lot of stuff is in my post. The first bag, I wanted to show you the first bag that I made. This is the first bag that I made. Actually, I had bought the fabric. I had bought it because I wanted the vest. That was another thing. That's another story. I wanted a vest, and I was gonna do it out of this fabric. But the pattern that I had ordered was misplaced. Was I didn't receive the pattern that I wanted. So I said, okay, let me make. Actually, I made a shirt because I didn't have the best pattern. So I made a shirt, and I had some fabric left, and I made the bag. So this was the actually first bag that I made. And I had made a shirt to go with it. I have the shirt. It's in the back. The fabric I thought would have made a better and a best for the shirt style that I had. One of the shirt styles that I wear, but I didn't like the fabric in that style as that shirt. I am sorry.